What? It's so cool. Look, Lego Creator Fiat 500. So cool. So this is the front. We are gonna do an unboxing video of this guy. It's able, look, the front of it is a yellow car, but in real life, it's supposed to be, in real life is blue, Lego life, yellow. And at the back, what can they do? This thing do? You can sweep this part up so you can see the outwards. Second, is able to open the door. Third, able to open the engine. Fourth, the boot has an extra tire. Number 5, you are able to break the whole roof off so the air can come in. Lastly, number 6. Number 6, this thing you can open and store. And they will come, and then you can do painting. Not real painting lah. This, you will get to build the whole set. And we're gonna unbox video. So cool. Now, please like, subscribe, comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up. And comment down below. Bye. Fiat 500. So today I'm going to show you all the things that this car actually can do. We found out one little thing that we didn't know at all that is very good. You are able to remove this, yeah. You can move this. You can see this, right? This glass piece. Yes, the glass piece can be opened. And this is a thing that you can open. It's called the painting box. You're able to be taken out. Yeah, and there are extra paintbrush. And we already have one painting. Painting. And we have an extra paintbrush, 2 paintbrushes, and another paint palette. So she's going. So this is box. It's a small, tiny box, right? We put stickers inside, so the inside looks like this. It looks like this. It's very spacious because it's big. Big.
What's the pen?
Second, look, this is so cool. This thing can go back. Can you see this finger? Yeah.
It can go open,
and it can go close. Awesome. Number 2. Yeah, 3. You're able to open the top, and it pops out a special thing.
And it pops out
a wheel. This is the extra tires.
It's closer.
And then, I'm gonna leave this thing open first. And then we are able to open the back of the car. If you don't know, this is able, to open. This is the back of your own car. It's the same. Now, since this is opened, let it. Able to open the doors. Keep it out. And then can you see this? These things are able to go forward. And this thing's about to go up and down. Up and down. This thing can go front. Yeah, that's 2. Then, lastly, awesome. You don't know this, but it's really cool. You can you see this? You can put it back there. And you're ready to see the under. This is the underneath of the whole entire car. Look, one thing that you will never know. But first, let's put everything back inside. You can close it, close it. Oh, wait, stop. First, you have to put down this.
Close it. Bye-bye. I'm gonna leave the house.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot to put one thing.
The wheel.
Left something. Let's go.
Not yet. You have to pack up.
How about this painting wheel?
We need to take out the paintbrush.
And then leave it side.
Then, can you see we have extras?
So I put it inside.
Can you see this? And the paint.
So as put it inside this.
Then we're gonna put it back in. Right. You have to put it because it's not very spacious. If not, it's actually going to be taken.
A lovely bad guys will take it. And then you know what happens. This came and put my brush.
And you can still close it up. And you shoot out.
And he's gonna leave. Bye-bye.
But where do we put this? That's the question. You are able to take off and put it at the boot. You know what's the boot?
Yeah.
If you don't,
you can also close
able
You can open back.
to look here. Can you see this part, right? Yes, that's good. So you can push this thing back. I'm still good. Okay, back again. So can you see this? Yeah,
Okay,
that's
set it back
You
again.
can set it at the back and close
We can close
the
it.
door. We also can keep this. First step first. Open the lid. Second, drop it but not on the driver's seat.
Okay, you sit down.
Drop it
Hi.
from here, like from on top, so it can be like on the window is fine. And then so you can also put it down, then close it back up. If not, it's gonna be seen, of course. Then, bye! See you next time. Please like and subscribe, comment down below. Bye bye!